In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in the Shopify account. Whether you're more comfortable using Shopify in another language, or you work with a team that prefers a different interface, updating your account language is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Open your browser, go to the Shopify login page, and sign in with your usual details. Once you're in, you should see your main Shopify admin dashboard with your store information and menus on the left-hand side. Now, look to the very top right corner of your Shopify admin screen. You'll see a small icon there, usually showing your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select your profile option. This is what opens your personal account settings, rather than your store settings. After you click on your profile, Shopify will automatically take you to a new page in your browser. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. On this new profile page, we're looking for the section where you can adjust your personal preferences. Scroll down the page until you see a heading labeled Preferences. Under this section, you'll find an option for language. This is where you can control the language used for your Shopify admin interface, just for your own account. Next to language, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a list of available languages. Carefully scroll through and choose the language you want to use. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct language and, if relevant, the correct regional version. Once you've selected your preferred language, a Save button will appear on your screen. Depending on your device or screen size, this button might be at the top of the page or near the bottom. So if you don't see it immediately, scroll a little up or down until you do. Click the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, your Shopify admin interface will update to the language you selected. If it doesn't change right away, try refreshing the page. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your Shopify account.